Today I'm going to show you how to use a proxy in Google Chrome using the SwitchyOmega extension. This is a simple way to route your browser traffic through a proxy, which can be useful for privacy, testing, or accessing web content through a different network route. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're connected to the internet. You'll want Chrome running normally before you start, because the extension setup process depends on a working browser connection. Next, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. From there, move your mouse over extensions. A side menu will appear, and this is where you can manage installed extensions or go to the Chrome Web Store to install a new one. Now click Visit Chrome Web Store. Once the store opens, use the search bar and type SwitchyOmega. Look for Proxy SwitchyOmega 3, since that is the extension you need for this tutorial. Make sure you choose the correct one so you don't install the wrong tool. After you find it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation window and then click Add Extension. At that point, Chrome will install it automatically. In some cases, the extension may open its setup page right away, which is exactly what you want. When the setup page opens, you'll be able to configure your proxy. This is where you click the proxy option and set your proxy details. Depending on the proxy service you're using, you may need to enter things like the server address, port number, username, and password. Take your time here and make sure every detail is entered correctly, because even one small mistake can stop the proxy from working. Once that's done, look back at the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon. This opens the extensions panel where all of your installed extensions are listed. Find SwitchyOmega in the list and click it. That will open the extension control panel. Inside the SwitchyOmega panel, select the proxy you just configured, then make sure the proxy profile is turned on. Once you choose it, Chrome should start routing traffic through that proxy connection. At that point, you've successfully set up a proxy in Google Chrome. If you ever want to switch back, just open the SwitchyOmega extension again and choose a different profile or turn the proxy off. That makes it very easy to move between normal browsing and proxy browsing whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to use a proxy in Google Chrome with SwitchyOmega. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.